What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in with QR code on Drawingbox. So you might be wondering how to exactly log in with, or in this case, log in into Drawingbox just using a QR code. Well, using a QR code is actually pretty easy here on Drawingbox, surprisingly. So first things first, you want to open up the Drawingbox app here on your mobile device. And what you need to do is you want to make sure that you use the login with QR code option here. So if you click on it at the top left, you should now have the option that says login with QR code. But if you choose the enter organization URL here, you won't have that option. So again, you want to click on login with QR code at the top left, and you should see login with QR code button there. So what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the login with QR code here. And from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says while using the app. Now from here, it should open up your camera, which in this case, you could go and just start scanning the QR code that you currently have. Once you've done that, you should be able to log in into your account pretty easily. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.